welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's being good. Happy new day. So a little mental check-in. I just want to tell you guys to be great, to be wonderful. Anything you lay your hands on, make sure you put God first. Y'all missing your girl a little, stuffed up today. That's because she has a little bit of cold, It is not COVID, okay? As y'all know, I did have my shot, so it is not COVID, all right? I just have a little stuffy nose, a little headache. Body need a rest once in a while. I just need to rest. But yeah, the kids are doing good. Hubby's doing good. I'm well. Work is going great. So, yeah, I just wanted to come here and say, how y'all doing? If you're new here, welcome. And if you are subscribed, thank you so very much. I said the views are going up, but the subscription is just stagnant now, okay? If you're watching, why didn't you just take that few seconds and just hit that subscribe button right over there, and also the notification bell. Also give me a like on all my videos. That will really help me with YouTube to recommend my videos to every other people also. Thank you so much for everybody who have shared the video, who have watched, who have been so kind enough to put comments down in the comment section, and who also started following me on Instagram. Don't forget, my Instagram name is mrstitostv. It will be somewhere up here for you guys to see. But yeah, as you guys can see in the title today, it is a pretty little thin haul. I went over there and got me. Y'all know outside is open now. We can go out, we can have fun, we still gotta be safe, So yeah, they went over there and I copped me some sets, some nice beautiful outfit that we could go out to date nights, so girls night out, to go out and chill, something like that, something simple, just look cute, look right. I did get me a sweatshirt, I think a sweat set and stuff like that. You could still also dress this up. So I would try to do a little bit of styling, how we'll put the things together. And like I always say, go in the comment section. Don't forget to tell me which one you like better, which one looks good on me, and which one you go ahead and cop for yourself. Alright guys, enough of me rambling. If you want to see what your girl got, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. This is the first outfit that I got. This snake print outfit is 2 sets. It's a brown style. It's a snake material, pretty light, pretty airy actually. You can wear this during spring actually, I think, or during summer. It is a long leg pants, wide leg. It does have this little waist where you cinch in, and it has the zipper on the side. It is pretty long, guys. It covers my shoe when I put it on. And the shirt it came with is this one over here. The shirt came with a collar over here, and it's also a long sleeve with a button on a button right over there. It has a button. It's buttoned down. I did really like this. It's really cute and really nice. It looks so cute. You could wear it straight, just button up down, or you could also tie it. I think in the video that you guys are going to be watching, I did also tie it. It's really nice and really cute, guys. I really like this. It is sexy. Like I told you guys, I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone in 2021. Normally, your girl would never wear something like this. Honestly, I would never wear something like this, but you gotta step out of your comfort zone sometimes and just, take a step with faith and just wear something really cute and really nice like this. This is the only thing like this I would ever own in my closet, for real. Yeah, I ain't even going to. So yeah. So guys, this is the first one. On to the next one. Okay guys, this is another one. Okay, this has all this pattern and stuff all over it. It is also a long sleeve shirt, real long sleeve. It also does have a black button over there on the wrist. It's a colored shirt. Nice looking, really cute dress. It also has buttons all the way over here. It's really nice. It does, this right here gives it a really cute sex appeal. Y'all see that curve at the hem? It's curved and it gave you that really cute sex appeal. And this is the pants also. The pants is it's quarter length, like it cuts you, it gets to like the mid of your leg, like under your calf. I think that's where it gets to. But this one has like a elastic on the waist, and also a drawer, so you could make it as tight, cinch your waist in as much as possible. It comes with this. You could tie it really cute. This is really, I really like this. Again, I told you guys, your girl would never wear something like this. Like 2, 3, 4 years, 5, 6 years ago, I would not put something like this on, man. I think this is really cute though. I think it's really nice. A nice date night. It does have a pocket. The first one, let me see. I don't think it has a pocket. No, it doesn't have a pocket. This has a pocket. It has a pocket. You could put a very nice, decent pocket. I don't think you should put anything in it, but yeah, with this drawstring right here, you guys should have seen the video by now. And it has, it's not that long, like I said, it's like a little bit above your ankle. This is really cute. I like it with a nice stiletto. If you guys watch my shoe haul, most of those shoes you can wear this with it. You're gonna be the bomb. This is really cute. I really like it. It's really cute. I love it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, guys. I told you guys, it's where I style most of my clothes. Okay guys, this is the third one. It's just like the second one that I showed you guys. It's about the same thing. It just have different patterns on it. It's just really cute. It has like an arrow kind of thing. The back has this gator thingy on it. It is also the same, just exactly the same thing as the second one that I showed you. A long sleeve dress, a nice color to go with it. You don't have to button the whole thing up. You could tie it. You could put it straight down. You could tuck one side in and leave the other side open. Guys, these are really cute outfit. I did wear this past weekend that I went out with my girls, and this was really nice. I'm trying to talk about it. This was really cute, guys. I really like this, man. It is cute. It also has the band thingy on the wrist, the rubber band thingy, and also you could tie it as tight as you want it to be. The tie is very functional. Also hit me about the same length with the other one. Also, it's not as tapered, but it's not bad either. So yeah, this is what the leg this thing look like. It is really cute. You guys should be seeing the video right now. I styled it pretty cute. That's exactly how I wore it when I wore it to go out with the girls. So I really like this, man. It's giving me life. It's giving me sexiness. It's giving me cute. Cover it up and you can make it as sexy as you want it to be. We don't have to be naked all the time to think we're sexy. Okay, guys? You ain't gotta be naked all the time. So this is really cute and really nice. I think you could actually wear this to work if you kind of are working. Yeah. If you're I'm in a corporate office. I work 9 to 5. Well, let me say 7:30 to 4:30 sometimes. So yeah, I think I could wear this to work, and it's not revealing anything crazy. But yeah, this is really cute. Okay guys, this is the next set that I got. It's a short style. This pants right here, guys, it is really cute, really nice, but I should have stick to size 6. I went ahead and bought size 8, and I am swimming. My waist could not fit it. I like the way it fits on the hip and the leg area, but the hips was so huge. If you guys see it in the video, it is a little bit sliding down, so it was giving me a crease like right here on my body, because the waist would not even not come close to fitting me at all. So this, I'm probably gonna take it because I really like it and I don't want to return it. So I'm gonna probably take it. They're both sold separately, if I'm correct. So I'm gonna take it to the tailor and they will fix it for me. It does come with this shirt right over here. Let me take the hanger off. It came with this shirt over here. It has pockets all over it. It has pockets here. Okay. It has pocket. I'm sorry, guys. I'm all over the place. It has pocket on the chest over there and also at the bottom right there. And this side has 2 pockets. Where is it? This side has 2. Is it 2 or 1? Oh, okay, this side is the one that has the 2 pockets on it. On the side, it has 2 small little pockets for your phone. The other phones can fit in there. But your lipstick, your wallets, if you don't want to carry any purse or anything. And on this side, I think your phone should be able to fit there also. The pants also does have pockets. It has pocket over on this side, and also let me see if it's a full pocket. Yeah, and a full pocket on the back also. So it does have this curve, this folded thingy on the leg. Really cute and really sexy. Yeah, it does also come with this belt right here. You could take it off and add your own belt with it. I think this is really cute and really sexy. I just wish the pants would have fit me the way I wanted to fit me. It would have been a banger, like a banger. You guys watch out for my Instagram. You guys are going to see me style it here once I get it fixed and everything. Yeah, it's also long sleeve, not all the way to your wrist. I think it like stops somewhere around this area. Okay guys, this is the next one. They are sold separately, they're not sold together. It's a sweat set. You guys can see I already messed it up over here. That's a little makeup right there, man. We're gonna skip that part. Yeah, the sweat is like this. This is the one I forgot to show you guys. The shoe. Let's talk about the shoe real quick. That I've never bought a shoe from Pretty Little Thing, but this is the shoe, guys. It's the sock shoe. Y'all see that? It has the clear heel, and then it now has a sling back, and then it has this clear, I don't know what to call this, but it has like a tight socky thingy on it right over here. This is what it look like, guys. It is sexy. This part is leather, but be careful though, because I think it shake. I don't know if it's not sturdy enough. So yeah, it kind of shake a little bit when you wear it. But this right here, guys, it is such a beautiful pair of shoes. So I paired it with this sweat sets. Kind of sets, but it was sold separately. So I paired with this sweatpants, this gray pants. It does have the elastic kind of thing on it, and then also a functional string, so you can make your waist as tiny as you want it to be. It does also have this kind of style leg to it. It is plain on the body. It does come with this. It does come with a pocket. And I paired it with this because I saw the model did wear both of them together, but they were sold separately without the shoe. It comes with this sweater right here. It's cropped, so this will be good during spring or fall. Yeah, this will be good. It has this string thingy. You could crop it and make it as short as you want and as tight as you want it to be. Also, this is this is adjustable and really stringy. So yeah, I paired those ones together and they look really cute on me. I know you guys already seen the video by now, but I really like them. They're really cute. I've always think about how do people pay heels and sweat together. Like that's different kind of. I'm like, you know what, girl, it's fashion. Since you think you're fashionable, okay? So go ahead and try it. And I tried it, and I really did like it. I like the way I put it together. I like the way it looked on me. It looks really chic and really cute and really nice on y'all girl. Okay, y'all, before we get into the next one, I did also get this sweatpant right over here, this pink one. I got more than this with Pretty Little Thing, but some of the things I got were just now what I'm not even going to show it to you guys. I think I actually returned them. Yeah, I think they were not what I think it was. The material was cheaply made and they were too tight and too knarky. One of the outfits that I got, one leg was longer than the other one. Like, what was that all about? So I got this also. I didn't try this one on. It's just a regular sweatpants, guys. There's nothing special about it. It has Pretty Little Thing on the thigh area. You guys can see that it's really cute. It's pink and really nice. Nothing much to say about that. So this is the next one that I got. This also gray sweat set, sold separately. The pant is pretty thick and pretty long. I think it's most like this pink material one that I just showed you guys, but the difference is this one has a long ass black strip. Really? And this is me not pulling. Really? This long. And if I pull, look, she didn't get my Jesus. Yeah, it has that long, just, you know, I just tucked it in the video. I tucked it in, I got a size 6 in it. Guys, please size down. It's still baggy on you regardless. So, and it also have this pretty little thin season 1 on it. I don't know what that means. I guess this came out season 1. I don't know. So, it has that on the knee area. And this is the shirt that this is the outfit I saw it. I was like, oh my god, I love the way she paired it together. Oh my gosh, she looks so cute. She paired it with this shoe right over here, and it was so beautiful on her. I was like, oh my god, this way just exactly like that. So that's the main reason why I bought it. But here's the sweater. Y'all see how big this is? If I tell you guys the size, you guys gonna be real surprised. It is a size freaking 4. Don't look at my face right there. I want people to see it. Y'all see that? That's a size 4. And y'all see how big it is? It is freaking huge on me. You guys will see the video. Oh my, it's so big. Big, cozy. It will keep you warm if you live in the East Coast. Oh my God. When I used to live in Maryland, this would have been the best winter kind of thing for me to wear. It's big, size down, guys. Really size. We are size 2. Please get size 0. Because this is really huge. I love it. I love the way I paired it. I wear a clear heel with it when I tried it on. It looks really cute and really nice and so sexy on me. So guys, these 2 sets were really nice also. Okay guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Y'all know it was a lot of fun, right? I know you guys have fun, so why don't you go ahead and give this video a like, share with your family members, and also don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Alright, don't forget also the notification bell will notify you every time I drop a video. Go in the comment section, let me know which one you like best, which one you're going to buy for yourself, which one you buy for your family members, or which one you think I style best on myself. Alright guys, until next time, I will see you guys. Remember to live your life like no one is watching, because what? Because God got your back.